Welcome back. We have learned about our basic Python data types, and we have also learned a little bit about some of the terms that we might use when talking about code. We learned a few best practices, but most importantly, we learned how to perform these actions on these data types. And we saw that there is a built-in functions that we can run on any type of data, such as print function. But we also learned that most of these data types have their own methods, that is, the dot some sort of a name and then brackets to perform some kind of actions. Now, we are still scratching the surface here, but we now go into an area that gets really exciting. But up until now, what we have been doing in this is every time we write a code, we do something here and then we go on to the second line and we write something else, and then finally we go to the third line and do something else, and so forth. Well, our Python interpreter just went line by line on all the way to whatever the line number we have on our own .py file, and just ran the code. And it ran in really fast because machines are good at that and they run really fast. But we haven't discovered the true power of programming, and specifically you know programming for machines. You see, the power comes when we start to incorporate the idea of maybe running multiple lines over and over, or maybe skipping a line and going from line 1 to line 3. And in the coming sections, we are going to talk about the idea of conditions and conditional logic. We are going to talk about looping and loops, where we can perform actions hundreds, thousands, millions of times over and over, something that machines are really good at. And that's when programming becomes really powerful, because machines can do certain tasks a lot better and a lot faster than humans. So now we are going to break into a new world where instead of going from 1 to 3 everything in order, we are going to start to break some of the part so that we have more control over our programs than just going line by line. Alright, we'll see you in the next video.